Hi, I'm Anjali Dave. I manage operations at Myna Mahila Foundation. I'm here to break the stereotype that women talk a lot because they really don't unless they're asked about it, especially about their health and priorities. Hence, our name derives from talkative bird Myna because we truly want our women to speak with confidence like Myna bird, unattached to fear or shame. We work with women from urban slums towards increasing their agency over their lives, be it health or financial independence. Women's Day is upon us, and I want to reflect on few challenges that women face in general and few of our experiences. In any household, if a woman is given 100 rupees, she will think about the needs of everyone in the family but herself. Why? Her aspirations, her needs, her dreams, it's casually glossed over. Nobody even thinks about or considers thinking about their needs. And women at the same time, they're not able to express this even among their peers about their concerns, about their dreams, about their aspirations. This is where we wanted to provide a safe space where they come together, learn about their bodies with focus on menstrual hygiene, to initiate a conversation stemming from the issues that they are afraid to talk about the most and that they care about the most. In our initial days back in 2015, we would go door to door to invite women at our center. Many of these women joined our pad production unit and our sales unit. These women would conduct door to door outreach, and they would tell their story, how using a pad or how talking about their dreams and aspirations changed their lives. And initially we were shooed away, and they won't lend us an ear to whatever we wanted to tell them. But shooing away will only work for a few times, right? And they're not used to someone visiting them every single day at their doorstep until they're curious to know what's in store for them. Gradually, they listened to us, purchased pads from us. They started coming to our center and sending their daughters to attend our health and MHM sessions. This also snowballed over the years, and in 5 years, we reached out to over 5.5 lakh women at their doorstep. Each woman telling their own story, living their own story, and setting an example, being a role model in their own communities. It felt like a true achievement for us. But our work didn't stop there. We also encouraged men from these communities to visit families in their neighborhood, to encourage powerhouse of their household, that is women, to join our center, adopt good hygiene practices, and break the social stigma one step at a time. This truly makes us smile ear to ear. And here's my appeal to pledge a health kit for a woman in your area, contributing to spreading smiles and diminishing taboos. Thank you.